Okay, now for the pyrotechnics part of the program. Because this is naked Raku, that temperature is actually much cooler than some of the Raku temperatures I normally work with. So anyway, I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to bring this out. For the reduction part. I want to get it crackling as much as possible, because what's going to happen when this catches on fire, get a little more crackling. Okay, this is going to catch on fire, and then I'm going to smother it. What that's going to do is, by reducing the oxygen, it's going to cause carbon to attach itself where the cracks are on the surface. All right, good cracks. All right, throw some more. More flammables. Don't want to get it too heavy because I want it to burn. I want the oxygen to get into places. For now. And again, you never know how it's going to turn out till it turns out. Get this going good. Now I'm going to reduce the oxygen for about 5 minutes. Give that a minute or two. Nice to have a good radius where I don't have to worry about catching the woods on fire. All right, now it's had long enough. Flip that over. Bring this out. And again, remember I was talking about the clay body that's designed to allow for the thermal shock. And this is just going to come right off. Okay, so I get that nice, and again, you never know what you've got until you get to this point. And it's totally random. Sometimes you've got big shadows. Sometimes they're smaller. All right, now let's take this back in.